What are you doing? What are you doing, Zoe? Zoe. Hi, Zoe. What you doing? Come here. Come on up. Come on up. Oh, that's my good girl. I was trying to get her to sit up, but she's puddling right now. She can't sit up.
Puddly.
Hi, Zoe.
Hi, Zoe. Hey. Hey. Hey, Zoe. Hey. Hey.
Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Hi, Zoe. What you doing? Want a drink of water? Want a drink of water? You want a drink of water, little puppy? There's some water for Zoe right here. Have a drink of water. Zoe. Zoe, right here, look. Drink of water. Yeah, that's good, huh? It's good, huh? Yeah. Right here. Zoe. Oh, that's a nice puppy. Look, right here. Right here, Zoe. Zoe. Have a drink of water. Want some? Oh, you're a good puppy. Alright, I'll put it away. Zoe, you're a good puppy. Hi, Zozo. That's a good girl. Zoe. Hey, Zoe, sit. Lay down, girl. Lady down, Dee-Dodie. Lay down. Sit. Sit your butt. Oh, that's a good girl. That's a good girl. Can you shake a paw? Oh, Zoe's good. Other one. Other one. Oh, what a good Zoe. You're a good girl.
Sliding. She's sliding.
Yeah, she slides.
She's like Bambi. You think she just flop down?
Yeah, she's gonna do the splits.
You just...
Hey, Zoe, Lady Downdy. Lady Downdy. Let's go. Come on, girl, lay down. Lay down, Zoe. Lay down, little puppy.
How long is she gonna continue this slow sliding?
Hi, Zozos. Why don't you lay down? Look, here's your bone.
Oh.
There's your bone right there.
She's like,
Lady Downdy. Good girl. Oh, it's Zoe's bone. Look at that. Look at that. It's your bone. Look.
It makes me want to see Zoe in like, skates.
Like Hans Brinker Anderson. Hi. Hi, little fluff ball. What are you
Like
doing?
Brian Boitano.